Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share you the niches without showing faces. Yes, I'm going to share you the top more than 15 plus niches that can be useful without showing faces, and uh, this niches has a wide range of popularity in the YouTube channel, you can say. So moving towards my video, so let's begin with my first topic. And my first topic is about business case study. So, also, brief explanation about this niches is that here you don't need to explore a lot of things. Let's take an example of Tesla. You have to show what is the reason behind the growth of Tesla, or you have to do some case study about it, and you can say what your opinion, and these sort of things are lots you can say about the case study of the Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, about Amazon's Jeff Bezos Amazon's, what is the reason behind it great success. You can do some Google searches, or you can find it in other website and make content regarding it. It's so simple, and you can collect data easily, and you can even have quite search on the YouTube, and you can get some material from there. So put it all together and maintain a separate videos and make a good content through this topic. And this topic has a lot of views in YouTube. You can get millions of views. And my next topic is about history. Yes, if you love history, then this niche is for you. You can start a channel with a channel based on history. Yes, there are a lot of history regarding places, about persons, right? The content is unlimited for these niches, and the data regarding it can be obtained on Google and other websites. Moving towards my third topic, our third topic is about facts. As you know, everyone loves facts. So if you make one channel about the facts, then it's really interesting, and channel will grow, because most of the people will love facts, amazing facts. So even if I soft on the channel, even I personally like to read some interesting fact, and when I soft to the net, then I can see the channel which is based on fact has millions of views, right? And if you don't believe me, then you can even search. So if you don't want to show the face, then you can try this fact channel, and this fact can be based on any places or any things. So my fourth topic goes to home remedies. As if you search on YouTube about home remedies, then you're surely shocked by seeing their views, because most of the view they have put regarding home remedies, they have millions of views. I have personally seen a lot of channels, so you don't need to struggle hard. What you have to do is about how to you can make a content regarding how to remove pimple by using home remedies, right? What are the benefits of these things, that things, and what are the side effects, and what are the pros and cons using this. You can talk about your benefits of lemon, what are its benefits. These are so simple. You can search on the YouTube and make similar content regarding it in your own way, or you can search on the Google and make separate content. And talking about my fifth content is about business software tutorial. Yes, software tutorial is demanding, because most of the people are creating new videos in YouTube, and they should know how to edit and how to use this software. So these niches can really get forward. So you don't need to struggle hard, because a lot of software tutorial are already in YouTube, so you can watch them and learn them. And main advantage that you get from it is you will even get experience about it. You can even get knowledge about it, and you can apply for other business even if you didn't get success in YouTube. So you can try software tutorial and you can teach them. The content is unlimited for it. There are lots of software, and there are lots of software and there are lots of content regarding it. So if you want all unlimited content and if you are interested in software, then this niches can be for you. So moving towards my next niches, it's about news and politics. Politics. And what is this is based on? This is based on the daily news that you get on the newspaper. You can read newspaper, you can look news on the TV and collect some news, and you can do voiceover in it. So it's really so easy. And even if you look on this look to the channel where we are making content with these niches, then you will see daily they have a lot of views, because daily. And one thing and one benefit part of this is these niches can have daily content. You can even find the news are coming daily, and you can know the what is the today's news and collect those material, and you can say it in your own way, and this become a separate news niches for you. So if you are so you can apply in these niches too. Our next niches is about celebrity slaves net worth, or you can say their lifestyle. So you can know how Jeff Bezos is spending his millions of monies, right? You can even say how Bill Gates or Elon Musk, or you can say Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, other great personalities, how they are spending their money, what business they are spending their monies, and what are their car collection, and what's their net worth. You can get all these data on Google or even in YouTube. So it's very simple topic and the very searchable topic too, so you can make content regarding it. So moving towards our next niches, so it's about relationship tips. As you know, this relation tips is also a bit of searchable content. Relationship doesn't mean only of boyfriend or girlfriend. It can be of father, mother, brother, sister, anything, friendship, right? Anything can be included, and this is quite simple and a searchable topic. So I hope this niche is quite familiar and quite simple too, so you can apply it. So moving towards our next niches, it's about animated stories. Right, you can animate some stories, and for animated stories you can animate video by using different softwares, and even if you don't know, you can look their tutorial in YouTube, and you can give a voiceovers, and this is very a huge demanding and huge interesting topic, so you can make niches on it. So my next topic is affirmation and motivation. Motivation in this 21st century, people are having a hectic schedule, so their life is busy and they are having a lot of problems, mental problems. So to build up confidence, to build them self motivation, people are really interested towards these niches. So you can make a lot of niches, a lot of content regarding these niches. So and it's a very searchable content. The most thing is you have to download some free stock footage that you can download easily, and it's background music and voice over it. It's so simple and huge demanding topic, so you can apply it. So moving towards our next topic, it's about our biography. There are lots of successful person, lots of inspired people, lots of person that we are taking them as idols. So you can use the biography of those people. So it's a simple topic and interesting topic, and this interesting topic. So all the material regarding it can be obtained on the Google and some other websites, so you can use it. So it's simple. So moving towards our next niches, it's about book review. As you know, book review is simple. You can simply surf Google, and even in YouTube there are lots of videos. So you can collect material from, or either from YouTube or from other website, and make a separate content, and you can give a voiceover, and it's really good. And you can see a lot of YouTube channel has growth. They are earning a huge money from this channel content. And moving towards our next topic is meditation and relaxation. Meditation and relaxation. This is so simple and widely searchable and globally accepted niches, because here you don't need to give voiceovers. You have to collect some free stock footage, and also some sorts of interesting meditative music, peaceful music, calm music that you can get in YouTube audio library, and it's free, and you can use it in your video, and you have to put it together, use software, and export it, and you can then upload it in YouTube. So it's so simple, and video are getting millions of views, and you can apply these niches. And talking about our next topic, it's about movie review. Yes, everybody loves movies. To spend your free times, they like to watch movies. So you can give a movie review, and one benefit for this content is there are unlimited content for it. You can get lots of movies are releasing day by day, and you can make review the best demanded and widely popular movies, and you can surf on the Google. You can get required material to make this content, so this can be your choice. So moving towards our last topic, so it's about gym and fitness. Youth are being quite attracted towards fitness, so gym and motivation, and regarding fitness, it's a quite searchable topic, and really they are getting views in millions, and people are earning a wide range of money from it. So you can apply these niches on your channel. If you are creating a new channel, then these are those niches that you can apply without showing faces, and these are some niches. And if you talk about some more niches, then you can do some car review, right? And you can even say about your current affairs, GK, or regarding your study material. They are also quite searchable topics, so you can make as per your choice. So here I have mentioned more than 15 topics, and if this video helped you, give a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.